In this video, I'll show you how to get Salesforce certification vouchers for free. Now, before we start anything, I want to make it very clear that this is not always a definite, and you'll see why in a few. So we're going to use Trailhead for this because it's the only real option that I know of. And I've linked it in the description of this video as well, so it's a quick and easy way for you to get here. So this is what the home screen looks like, and if you're a Salesforce user, you're already logged in. So what you want to do here is just scroll all the way down till you see certifications at the bottom here. And here in certifications, you can occasionally, depending on your role or your credential, find courses that you can do for free. So like you can see this Certified Agent Force Specialist, you can attempt this one for free. First attempt only though. If you fail, well, that's on you. Anyhow, as you can see, the rest are not free. Now, there's another option. Again, sticking with Trailhead here, what we can do is we can navigate to the Learn section and click on Trailblazer Quests. And on the left here, you'll see Explore Quests. So just click on that. And again, occasionally, not always a definite, but you can find quests here with actual rewards being certifications. Now, this one, it's kind of a rarity, but this would be the best place to regularly check and to build up your points as well by doing these courses. And those are the very few options that you have to get free certifications, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.